Hi boys and girls, on this activity you are going to find the nonfiction text features. So I want you to get a red crayon, a blue crayon, and a green crayon. So go ahead and pause while you do that. Okay, do you have all three crayons? A red, a blue, and a green? Alright, what I want you to do is I want you to use your red crayon and I want you to circle the heading red. Go ahead and circle the heading red. Okay, next step, I want you to find all three labels on this page, and I want you to circle them green. Go ahead and pause while you find all three labels. You're going to circle them green. And the last step, I want you to find the 4 captions, and I want you to circle them blue. Circle your captions blue. So hopefully you've just shown me that you can identify the heading, labels, and captions in a text. Great job! Put your name on this.